Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about the differences between death benefit insurance policies and cash value insurance policies. Both are important concepts in life insurance, but they differ in purpose, benefits, investment features, and financial flexibility. Let us understand these differences one by one. Number 1. A death benefit insurance policy mainly provides financial support to beneficiaries after the insured person's death, whereas a cash value insurance policy builds savings that the policyholder can use during their lifetime. Number 2. In a death benefit policy, the payout goes to nominated beneficiaries. On the other hand, in a cash value policy, the accumulated value benefits the policyholder while alive. Number 3. A death benefit is paid only after the death of the insured person, whereas cash value can be accessed while the insured is still living. Number 4. A death benefit insurance policy usually does not contain any cash value component, whereas a cash value insurance policy includes a savings component that grows over time. Number 5. In death benefit policies, policyholders generally cannot access funds during their lifetime, whereas in cash value policies, policyholders can borrow against or withdraw cash value. Number 6. A death benefit insurance policy mainly provides financial security for family members after death, whereas a cash value insurance policy provides both protection and living benefits. Number 7. Death benefit insurance is commonly associated with term life insurance, whereas cash value insurance is common in whole life, universal life, and variable life insurance policies. Number 8. Death benefit insurance policies usually have lower premium costs, whereas cash value insurance policies generally require higher premiums. Number 9. Death benefit policies do not include an investment feature, whereas cash value policies include an investment or savings element that grows over time. Number 10. The main focus of death benefit insurance is pure financial protection for dependents, whereas the main focus of cash value insurance is both protection and wealth accumulation. Number 11. Death benefit insurance policies are usually valid for a fixed term such as 10, 20, or 30 years, whereas cash value insurance policies often provide lifelong coverage if premiums are paid. Number 12. In death benefit insurance, beneficiaries usually receive tax-free payouts, whereas in cash value insurance, the cash value grows on a tax-deferred basis and the death benefit is often tax-free as well. Number 13. Death benefit insurance policies offer limited flexibility, whereas cash value insurance policies provide greater flexibility in premium payments and fund usage. Number 14. In death benefit insurance, there is no return on premiums if the insured survives the term, whereas cash value insurance may generate returns through accumulated savings. Number 15. Death benefit insurance policies generally have little or no surrender value if canceled, whereas cash value insurance policies often provide surrender value upon cancellation. Number 16. Death benefit insurance mainly benefits dependents and family members after death, whereas cash value insurance benefits both the policyholder during life and beneficiaries after death. In short, death benefit insurance focuses on protecting loved ones financially after death, whereas cash value insurance combines protection with savings and financial flexibility during the policyholder's lifetime. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.